Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. Today we are doing a really Ghanaian, authentic Ghanaian fermented fish. Okay, if you've been watching my videos, you know I did an okra stew and I used a fish, and I said that the fish is the star of the show and the fish is called Momoni. Okay, so this is what we are doing today. I'm trying to do it myself today. So I have this fish here. This fish is called barracuda. Okay, and what I have done here, I've washed it, pat it dry, and what I've done, I really put a lot of dents in it. Okay, cut them into pieces here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just put a lot of salt in there. Okay, and then we put it away. This will take a lot because we are trying to ferment the fish. Okay, it takes about a week to 2 weeks, okay, for it to be done. So let's get started. So I'll just place the fish, the salt in there. You have to use sea salt, okay? It's better to use sea salt. Right, I have a container which I'm putting it in. I've sprinkled a lot of salt in there, so I'll put that in it. And I'll finish off with the rest. So what I'm going to do before I put it away, I want to cover it with film, cling film. It helps ferment quicker. So guys, as you can see here, I have just put film around it so that it will ferment quickly, and I'll cover it. And what I'm going to do is to try and put it away outside, not inside your house because it's going to smell. So just put it outside your house, your outer house or a shed or any place, and then we will check on it when it's about a week or more days, so I'll give you updates on that. So guys, this is our fermented fish. That is Momoni. That's what we're doing. Okay, it's been put away for 2 weeks now, and I'm about to open it. I know it to be really stinky, but when you add it to your dish, it tastes really nice, I tell you. I'm about to open it. You can see some water on it as well, so I'm going to pour that water away. So this is our fermented fish. I'm going to pour the water away, and then we are going to just rinse it nicely, cut them nicely, and put them into bags and into the freezer it goes. So guys, this is our fermented fish. It's called Momoni in Ghana, and I tell you, if you put it in your stew, or there's a lot of recipes that we use this for, and it gives it a very nice taste. Okay, because it's quite similar to anchovies, so you can use this as a substitute for anchovies, and it's very easy to do. Okay, it's quite difficult to get it over from Ghana to this place, so you can try and make it yourself rather than buying from here, which is quite expensive. Okay, and it's very easy to, as you can see, I've got lots of them. It will take me a lot of months to able to finish this. I'm cut them into small pieces. Okay, and then I'll put them into my freezer bag, and into the freezer it goes, and I'll use a bit, but this will take a long time though. Okay, so if you like this recipe, okay, please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God bless you. Bye.